Hi, I'm Joanne, owner of Pickleball San Juan del Sur. If you are staying in San Juan del Sur and you are looking for something fun and active to do, come and play pickleball with us. It is super easy to book your court. You can download the Play by Point app and you can search for Pickleball San Juan del Sur to reserve your time. Court rentals are 600 Córdobas per hour, and if you don't have paddles and balls, no problem. We have loaners to give to people just like you who do not travel with your own gear. If you do not have enough people in your group, or if you're traveling solo and you still want to play, don't worry. We have drop-in play 2 times a day, once at noon, from noon till 1:30, and once at 4 till 5:30. It is 150 Córdobas, and it is a great way for you to meet people who are living here or who are passing through, just like you. You can find Pickleball San Juan del Sur very easily on Google Maps. We have a very active Facebook page, and you can call me directly at 505-8257-8256, and I will help you with booking the court or booking a spot for our drop-in play. So I hope you enjoy your time here in San Juan del Sur, and I really hope to see you on the court.